And we're also promoting our sales for our COB students. Not only new students, but returning students also get the sale. You come and you get this flyer from one of the BCC Divas or Dudes. You take this along with your COB, your valid COB card, and you take it to the BTC location on Bay Street, and you can get your phones for these prices. We have the BlackBerry Jazz, we have the Gemini, we also have the Samsung Y. The BlackBerry 8520 is $139. The BlackBerry Jazz is $199, and the Galaxy Y is $159. We also ask that you put 1 month of data on your phone, so that's $30. We're also promoting our postpaid with our new rates, cheaper, better, $20, 120 minutes, 50 free text, and it goes up however you like it. And we're also promoting our Talk It Up cards, where we have our Olympic special rate that ends in October, and you can call China, Jamaica, Haiti, UK, the United States. You can also call from here to the Family Islands. And it's also good for COB students that are for the Family Islands and they're coming out over here. They can use it to call the family and check up on